Got a little rotted decking right here. Ready to cut out all the wood underneath the metal. This side's already done. So now you change out all the broken tile. 1, 2, this one here, that one there. Whee! Hey, I'm live right now, man. Say hi, Montes.
Hello.
That's why you leak. Look at that.